One night, a knockout blonde in a bright red dress strolled into a Christmas pop-up bar and left me speechless when she smiled at me. We closed down the bar and then the restaurant next door before sharing a magnetic first kiss in the empty streets of Boston.
I want to welcome you all and thank you for coming to celebrate my daughter's marriage to Michael Ullman. As I look at my daughter, the bride, I can't help to reflect. How lucky I am.
You look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
I love you. To have watched my daughter grow into the beautiful woman she is today.
I've often heard people say that for them, their story began with love at first sight. But for me, it was a love that grew slowly and steadily over time. And as I got to spend time with your friends and family, I saw more and more who you were over time.
From career changes to navigating a pandemic to kiddie radiation treatments in Wisconsin, there's no storm we can't weather, including the one today. As I calculated the odds that a handsome Hollywood insider would be anything more than a fling, I came across a picture of your cat with the caption, "One of my boys." You guys are going to hear a lot about cats today. And with that one caption, this Grinch's heart grew 3 sizes. I took a chance and swiped right. And what I found blows away any Hollywood script. Not just a nurturing partnership, but a love for the ages.
For years, I wished for you, but I never expected it. Maybe it was luck or randomness, or perhaps it truly was that photo of my dad's cat in my profile. You showed up in my life, not a moment too soon or too late.
Mike and Jennie, by the power vested in me by the open ministry in the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jennie, you may kiss your husband. It is my great joy to introduce you to, for the first time, Mike and Jennie as husband and wife.
In Green Gables shadow, where dreams intertwine, Gilbert looks at Anne, knowing she's forever mine. May Jennie and Michael, in love, always stay, with kitties and kiddos, come what may.
For many years, we have prayed for Michael to find the right one. And we are so thrilled and feel blessed that he has found you, Jennie. And of course, you found him.
Mike, you're easily the most passionate, dedicated, and loving man I've known in my life. And while I'm obliged to call you my brother, I'm honored to call you my friend. The kindness, empathy, respect, and love you have for the people you're closest to is unmatched. When you're in with Mike, you're in deep. This right there is the face of a man who knows he's leaving here today, not only with a wife who's beautiful, brilliant, thoughtful, and caring, but with his best friend, the one that isn't his brother.
For me and Jennie tonight is magic. And I don't mean like trickery or illusions that you see on David Blaine's television shows. I know that I'm being a little Mulder right now, so just bear with me. Jennie can reel me in from that with her Scully in just a second. I mean like magic right before our eyes. And I mean that in the sense of friendships, the best of friendships, partnerships, love, family, and quite frankly, the fondest faces in our entire lives. If that's not magic, all under one roof, one night, on our lives, I don't know what is.
Those were beautiful vows.
So were yours. It was a hard act to follow.